more to this disturbing story. At 15 years old, he's charged with murder and robbery. The teen accused of killing a man on Short Vine was back in court today.
And prosecutors want to charge him as an adult. Brian Hamrick was in the courtroom for this story, and he has more.
He's accused of murder in a gunfight caught on camera.
You see so much violence in our society.
The suspect is just 15 years old, but it won't be a birthday that determines if he's an adult. It'll be a judge.
Case number 25737.
It didn't happen at this hearing. He's still considered a juvenile. That's why he's able to remain completely unseen in court. But a more significant difference is in the potential punishment he could face as an adult.
In this case, if this juvenile is 15 years old, the most they could hold him for is less than 6 years.
Correct. And that's why they're probably going to be trying to bind him over as an adult.
Jason Philibom is a former prosecutor.
If he's convicted as a juvenile or even a juvenile youthful offender, the most they can hold him is until they're 21 years old. As an adult, they could be essentially held for life.
Factors that determine if the 15-year-old is treated as an adult include criminal history. He has that in just the last year or so: grand theft, receiving stolen property, aggravated assault where a gun was fired in the crime, and after being arrested, cutting off an electronic monitor.
So there's a lot of factors the court's going to look at, but at the end of the day, the court essentially wants to find out, is he amenable to treatment as a juvenile? In other words, can we rehabilitate him before he turns 18?
Yes, we could have further discussion about that.
Now a judge will decide if years or other factors determine when someone is an adult.
And that was Brian Hamrick reporting. Now, just 10 days ago, he arrived in a wheelchair, and today he walked into the courtroom under his own power, even made hearts with his hands to the family sitting behind him.